All right, let's take another example here. So let's read it off. A sample of students in the 2 p.m. section of biological data analysis class has had average height of 66.6 inches. Average height from the 5 p.m. class, a sample, was 62.9. Are the average heights of the two sections significantly different at a 5% significance level? The data is given. Okay, so here's the data over here for the 2 p.m. sample and the 5 p.m. sample. So I'm going to say that mu2 is the 2 p.m. and mu5 is the 5 p.m. So I'm going to set this up here. All right, and I want to see if they're different or not. So let's say mu2 equal to mu5, mu2 not equal to mu5. And now let's say I want to make the claim that they're not equal. And so I want this data to try and support that claim. So I'm claiming that they are not equal. And let's take a look. Well, I have to put all this information into SPSS. So let's bring that up. And I've already done some of that. All right, so here's all the data, all the heights, with the first set being from the 2 p.m., so with a 2 under section, and the second set of data being the 5 p.m. All right, so I have all the heights and then a designation by section. All right, so I go to Analyze, I go to my Compare Means, my independent samples tTest. Okay, now remember, I have the test variable. I'm testing heights and grouping them by sections. And again, I want to call them 2 and 5. Okay, so I've got it all set up. I click on OK, and here I get my results. All right, so, whoops, I'm sorry, that was from the previous one. So here we are. So let's take a look. So we have our group statistics here. That's where they were getting the 66.6 and the 62.9 there that was given in the problem. But we go down here. So we do see that we have a from the Levine's test, a 0.453, which is bigger than 0.05, meaning I again can go with the equal variances assumption. So I'm going to be reading across this first row here. So there's my t-value. Here's my sigma. And this is a two-tailed problem because it's an equals not equals. So I'm going to take that directly. That's 0.028. That's what I wanted out of there. Okay, so I have 0.028 as my p-value. We're doing a 5% significance, so 0.05 is my alpha. And indeed, my p is less than that 0.05. Reject H0. Okay, so what have we seen here? So we've rejected H0, bringing us to our claim, and with the claim and the alternative, that's a support problem. So there is enough evidence at 5% significance level to support the claim that these heights are different, that they're not the same. Okay, so there we go.